An apartment complex in Amirpet is located on a prime location but comes rain. This becomes the most undesirable. The rains have turned Hyderabad several areas into mini waterland. In some areas, the water is so swift it has the capacity to carry away with it a full-sized person.
I hope you're looking at the visuals of where I'm sitting down. This is in Srinagar colony of Hyderabad, and what you're seeing is swift flowing stream. A stream which is carrying dirt, sewage and whatnot. And this has been flowing for the last 24 hours since the last downpour yesterday night. It has been so swift that crossing this stream from the other side to this side itself is very risky. I have seen at least one person who lost his slippers, his footwear. And as you can see, every time a vehicle crosses, the water just jumps up. And you wouldn't imagine the speed at which this water is flowing. It is tremendous, and we understand that this is sewage water. Imagine all this water reaching down all the way to the central areas of Hyderabad. And as you can see, nobody is there. There's no GHMC worker. Nobody is there to take a look at what is happening. You can see vehicles making a dangerous turning. You can see two-wheelers. The two-wheelers are especially so vulnerable to the kind of gushing water which is found in here. Where traffic is, of course, has mercifully not slowed down, but definitely anybody who wants to cross this particular area is in for trouble. Just imagine if all this water is reaching down, it's going, where is it going? You can see that after 100 meters, the water just disappears. Obviously, it is going not into storm water drains, it is going into someone's house, someone's apartment, and perhaps someone's car. In fact, over the last 3-4 days, we have seen several cars which have been parked in the cellars, on the road everywhere, floating. Water has entered those cars, and those cars are out of action. In fact, several garage owners have told us that the vehicles which have come in are in such a bad state that there is no hope for them. The mere repair is probably take 3 to 4 lakh rupees, and many vehicle owners, they have left the vehicle as it is. Now let's look at the kind of current we are seeing here. It's so dangerous that my camera person is actually advising me to walk very slowly. Now we do know that this is an issue of overflowing water, but what about this drainage water? Where is it coming from? Why hasn't been any kind of official here to open the manholes or at least divert this water? This water cannot be stopped by any cost. This is so swift flowing, and the amount of water which you see here is enormous. And all the water is going all the way down there. Who is responsible for this calamity? Why can't our engineering department, GHMC's engineering department, do something about it? Why can't the GHMC, which is responsible for the basic services and which is asking us to pay tax every time, why can't they do something about it? And this is the issue every time. Vehicles are stopped, vehicles are slow moving, and there's no guarantee that even after the water has come down, after probably there's a lapse in the rainfall, this situation will improve. This is what is happening to our Hyderabad, to Mana Hyderabad. This is Sunil Patil for CVR English from Srinagar Colony, Hyderabad. I hope you're looking at the visuals of where I'm sitting down. This is in Srinagar Colony of Hyderabad, and what you're seeing is swift flowing stream. A stream which is carrying dirt, sewage and whatnot. And this has been flowing for the last 24 hours since the last downpour yesterday night.